Installing Jofer's design front lid for 2021 to 2022 and above, whatever. Front lid for the Accord. This one's mine right here, 2.0, of course. Getting this one installed right now. We're just gonna go ahead and heat up this surface right now real quick with the heat gun right there. Make sure not to do it from too close up because you might damage the paint. You might remove that clear coat off of it. Mine is ceramic coated, so I'm good. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put about 20 seconds of warming up time around that panel wherever it's gonna stick, and then we'll go from there and see how it looks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the camera on tripod so you guys can see what I'm doing. This will help you guys out, save yourself a couple bucks in your pocket. Use that for gas. All right, so it's good to have a buddy help you out because you're gonna need it. If you do it alone, it's still a struggle, but if you have someone to help you out, make sure that side is lined up really good. And then you just want to go ahead right here, just lined up perfectly. You could actually pull, no, not yet. And once this is lined up for me right here on this end, flushed in, I just take my masking tape and put a tape over here so I know that I'm not like off when I try to install it again. This is like my marking spot right here, and also like down here a little bit, so it gives me that 100% confidence of like I gotta stick it right there, and then I'm good to go from that point on. And he'll take care of that end for me, so we're good to go. And whenever you start to take off the 3M tape, you don't want to take off the whole thing. I will show you guys what you guys gotta do your whole lifetime pretty much. Spoiler, lips, or anything like that, you never want to take off the whole area, especially if it's a big area. Grab some tape real quick. And I actually invested into a mic for you guys since you guys were telling me, hey, invest into a good mic, and I actually did. Listen to you guys, so make sure you guys like this. Smash the like button. So you guys can hear me really good right now. I'm gonna have to scream. Alright, this is in. And you're good on your end, right? Yeah. Alright, cool. So, I usually go ahead. So, this is how it's done for my. This is why my work is impeccable, guys. It's perfect, always. So I actually take that extra time to prepare it well and not rush into it, even though I'm super excited. But you want to go ahead and make sure your work is good. The edges are going to give me right here. Alright, so that will give me a point at the edges pretty much. Alright, I'm good. So you know how to do that part, right? You gotta make sure once I push that gap in, just like that, yep. So what you want to do now is grab the blade, bro. I'll hold it for you. Take it off anyway. Alright, you hold that section. Bothering me. I'm gonna ceramic coating so that thing won't even let it stick there. Alright, so I'm good on this side. But I'm actually, usually I start off over there in that end, but I think this time I'm gonna start off over here and go out that way. Just hold your spot tight. You're gonna grab a sharp blade, knife, whatever that you can use for vinyl and cutting, of course. I'm going to remove the backing of it. Your spot's good, right? So the only thing you got to remove from this side, if you prep it the way I did, just go ahead, remove the two strips from the edges, and then start removing that one strip pretty much that goes all over to the end over there. So we're going to use this as a guide. Like that. I'm going to go ahead and heat up the area. Is it hot?
Yes.
Alright, hold your spot good. Oh. You're good, right?
Sweet.
I'm good. So, I got the spot in. Just keep rolling through. And go ahead and press into it really good. Okay, the ceramic coating doesn't want to stick into it. It's insane. Let's find out. So I want to go ahead and, so like at least give it a good minute. I'm just gonna hold it. I'm gonna skip this area. Go ahead and take this rest of it off. All you gotta do is pretty much pull it that way, and the rest will come off, and then you can push everything in. So everything is aligned already. That's what we wanted to do. And once you remove this, just go ahead and make sure it's lined up, and you hold it really good for like a minute or so, and put some extra Gorilla 3 tape over here on the side, just like that, and then let it cure for like a good hour or so, and then it should be good to go. And do the same thing on the other side. It's the same process, and you can. And I'll show you where I'm going to put the screws in the bottom for this as well. Do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so that's done. I put some Gorilla 3M tape on the sides for now. Give it a few hours, I'm just going to take it off. As you can see, I got the jack on that side right there. I'm going to lift up the car from that side and put the screws in, do the middle piece in, but look at how great this is coming out so far. Super aggressive. Once the tape is gone off of it, it'll look a lot cleaner and nicer. But right now, I'm just going to go ahead and place the camera right here real quick, and we'll go screw it in. Show you guys real quick. As you can see, we got 4 screws in this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got the push tabs. Goes through it like that, and then goes through in the corner in the bottom right here, and then you push it, and you push it from here. It goes in to lock it in. But in order to get that spot, it's not going to be fully a full circle, so you want to grab that blade again, and then just go in there and kind of clean out that area. The excessive will come off, and then you'll be able to fit this in. And yeah, that should do it. And I make sure you guys put at least how many screws we got here. So we got about 4 for the middle piece, and I would definitely put 3 screws on each side of that side. Make sure you guys hold it really good. 3 screws over there, and 3 screws on this side. Like 1 over here under, not on top here, but in the bottom somewhere. 1 in the middle, 1 in the back side. So that should do it really good from there. And let me go ahead and do that, and we'll check it out and see how it looks. It's gonna be really nice. This is the last thing you want to do, is get the fitment in here. Yep, we'll do that. Huh? Yeah, you can figure it. Look at that. But this is perfect though. Wow. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon to be notified on upcoming content. Appreciate support. Peace out until next time.